Hello, welcome back to another tutorial on the Smart Grid. In the latest version of the Smart Grid version 4.4, the form preview functionality has been upgraded in order to facilitate the development of large forms. When you open a form, let me take job application section. Let me take this as an example of a form. You'll notice now there is a preview link in the information meta box in your editor. And if you don't have this link, you might see a message requesting you to reload the form, to update the form, sorry. So in that case, just update the form just to make sure you have this link updated. And what this preview does is it creates a form on your front end without actually having to insert the form into a menu, into a page, and that page into a menu and as such. Therefore allowing you to quickly preview the form. But in addition to this, now when you start filling in the form, and let me just put a few values into this form. Language. And let's say that I use Atom.io for development. So when you start to submit, so I've got this preview form and I submit this form in the back end. What the plugin will now do is it'll actually capture all the values that have been filled into this field in such a way that if I now refresh this page, the plugin will now pre-fill all the fields that I've submitted in the previous submission. The advantage of doing this obviously is that when you're developing large forms, it's very handy to be able to have ready filled, automatically filled fields for you to test other aspects of your development, such as post submission. Maybe you have some kind of hook in order to be able to quickly test the forms and test some of the processes in the back end. So this is a nice little addition. I've added this for my own use to be able to do these video tutorials, and I was getting fed up of having to keep on filling in forms. This pre-filling of fields is a functionality that exists also for your front-end forms, and which you can use with some of the new hooks that have been provided. So if you go down into your actions and filters, and you will see now you have a pre-fill hook here. So you just click and copy the helper code, paste it into your functions.php, and there it'll explain how to actually use this functionality, to pre-fill some of the fields. And you might want to do this, for example, you have a name and an email, contact email. Some users who are logged in, when they fill in the form, you might want to actually pre-fill their name and their registered contact details or something like this. So I hope you will find this a useful addition. If you want to clear out these values because you want to test different sets of values and something like this, you can simply go into your inspection, go into the storage area where you have your cookies, and you'll notice that the plugin creates an underscore CF7 SG underscore followed by the form unique key. So this is this current form here, and if I just simply delete this cookie and I reload this page, let me refresh the cache as well. There we go. So now you see the form is actually empty and none of these fields have actually been filled in by the plugin. Right then, thank you.